Every great performance begins the same way, in silence, waiting for the first move. But not every stage has velvet curtains. Some open with earth, with vision ready to perform. No applause, no spotlight, but every move in tune. The heavyweights take their place, engines aligned to progress, no brakes. Depth isn't just distance, it's commitment. This isn't just soil, it's tomorrow lifted today. What you see here is not speed, it's mastery, moving in rhythm. Crafted to rise, designed to lead. This is the future of luxury living in Karachi. This is the 7 Towers.